guys, I'm back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed that prank we did on the drive-thru prank. It was lit. We tried McDonald's at first, but that failed, like I said in that video, bro. But today is a new day, guys. Today is a new day. So make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you comment below. And if you're new, subscribe. I don't know if I'm doing a prank today. I think I'm gonna, ooh, that lighting, though, that lighting, there we go. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a prank today on my mom or sister or a challenge, but stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing something today. I'm like tired today. I got some coffee in the fridge, bruh. You know what I'm saying, bruh? Because I went to Starbucks in the morning, bruh. I'm gonna be hitting the gym in a little bit with my boy Joey, as y'all have seen, man. I think I'm gonna hit some legs, a little bit of some back. I am outfitted out today. Got the fresh built tank on, and then got the sweats on. Got the sweats, just doing it bummy, gym style. And right now, guys, I pretty much had some pizza and 2 wings before the gym. Having some water right here. I had a breakfast sandwich from Starbucks earlier. I finished that. As you guys can see, actually, right here. Put this in here. You know what's up? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. That was a complete. Look, see? Guys, look at that. What are you trying to do here, dude? Look at this. What a fuck. What a fail. Wow. Just a wow. I need to clean that up. I'll be right, guys. Alright, guys. Clean that up. Put a towel there. Whatever. Shit happened. What is up, guys? I'm gonna be pranking my mom. She's in the room right now. Let's get it. My mom hates me for pranking her, but we gotta do this, guys. This is gonna be a lit video. So I'm gonna be doing another blood prank, but I'm gonna be throwing it up. I'm gonna see how she reacts. I'm really nervous. I'm shaky, but let's get it. Smash that like button, comment, subscribe. It's just gonna be crazy, guys. Like, I've been pranking my mom a lot. I think this is gonna be my last, I don't know. You guys comment below. Let me know what I should do. But for now, let's get this video going, guys.
Ma! Ma!
What? What's going on?
Ma!
What's going on?
Oh no!
Oh shoot. Michael, what happened?
I don't know.
Is it your tooth?
I don't know.
Hold on, let me get a top. Oh my goodness, Michael. Serious? Did you bite down on something? What's going on? Let me see. Here.
Oh no.
Here. Put pressure. Put pressure.
I'm kidding. It's a prank.
Is that your freaking Halloween? You're doing all this stuff? You crazy? I'm gonna break that camera. Where is it?
It's right there. Say hi.
Where is it? Where is it? Michael. I swear I'm gonna put it in water.
What is good, guys? Oh, that was too funny on my mom. She's just something else. She's crazy. I think I'm gonna be pranking her next. I think I'm gonna be like pretending I hit my head or something, but I think I'm gonna relax on the pranks on her. I think I'm gonna get other people, or I don't even know, guys, but if you guys still want me to prank her and get her, please comment down below. Let me know, and I'll get some, try to figure something out for you guys to prank her. She's too funny. But I hope you guys, once again, enjoy this video. Have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. With all the support, you guys are killing it. Team Miguel, let's go. Let's get it. Smash that like button. Peace.
Was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had